Paul from Truck Paper, and he's gonna help us to understand the printing process here in Truck Paper.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is Brad here. So
I'm Brad, I work production. He's got some facts and figures for you, and
Yeah.
any questions, I'll take over after that.
we were founded in 1978. We started Machinery Trader. Shortly after that, we opened Truck Paper and Controller, which is aviation market. And then we moved into Tractor House probably 15 plus years ago. Not sure on the exact date on that, but so we've been in the construction, trucking, and ag business for since 1978, early 80s, and then Tractor House came in shortly after that, and we've got other specialty markets like tree equipment, crane equipment. We do online auctions for the on-site. Not only online only auctions through Auction Time. We have Equipment Facts, which does we're the online bidding platform for a physical sale. So bidding against people who are physically there putting their hand in the air, and we're the presence to have the online bidders part of that as well. That's all across the country. So we also are in financial services, as well as different with each one of our online listings. Getting a shipping quote, finance quote. We're into a fleet evaluator, and it goes through giving evaluations for all these different markets, whether it's a retail price, market value, or auction value, obviously. So, so we're at over 3 billion page views across all Sandhills websites, and increasing. So, again, over 50 brands across the globe. 11 office locations in the U.S., Europe, Africa, and Australia, and this is where it all started here in Lincoln, Nebraska. So we have over 1,200 employees, and anyway, since founding in 1978, and I'll turn it over to any special facts.
Yeah, on the production side, we do everything here for this hemisphere. Everything is printed here for Canada, all of North America, South America. We can print, this press alone can print up to 1.7 million pages an hour. Wow. So we can really pump out some pages when need be. You can see a roll of paper back there, just the bottom there. That weighs about 2,500 pounds.
2,500 pounds?
Yeah, that will stretch out about 17 miles if you unrolled it.
Wow.
And we go through 2 of those about every hour.
Whoa!
So we can really put some books out there. The best part about Sandhills is you can give us an ad in the morning. We will print it. We will send it across the room to be bound, and we will have it shipped all in the same day. So to physically have something in your hand, no one can get it to you faster. Everything post-press is recycled. From our plates down there, you can see the box of empty plates, to all our trimming and paper waste, even our dryers. We used to have afterburners on the roof with a big smokestack. Well, we've upgraded those to all self-contained units here, so we're using the heat over and over and over again, instead of like an oven where you pump it and send it out. We go through about 13,000 pounds of ink.
13,000 pounds.
Ink. Yeah.
Oh, that's like it's done it all.
Yeah, strong. Yeah.
And other than that, we're pretty much on the cutting edge of automated technology, to where 3 guys can run this now.
Wow, so
Yeah,
3 people are running the whole show.
Yep, we've got one guy back there doing the rolls.
Yeah.
This guy right here is controlling the color, the web, and the register. And then we got a guy on the other side who's controlling the stacking. So
That's right there.
yeah, so all those skids over there,
Okay.
yeah, that guy's running that machine. And what used to take 6, 8 guys, we're now down to 3, and it's even easier than it was with the 6.
So,
Exactly.
And I've got the evening and weekend shift, so when he's off,
Oh.
yeah. So a few of us.
So you work with your elves or you work by yourself?
Oh, all by myself. It's me and the mics, you know. So anyhow, but just whether we're bringing you customers, buyers. That's our number one thing. Whether we're in front of them with print or the online media and all the services that we offer. So, and just in closing, I guess the last online site or the latest is auctionvalues.com, where you can go in and view auction values across all platforms on a simple, easy to maneuver website.
Awesome.
All right, and I'd like to thank you for
Thank you
your
so much,
business.
Bob. Thank you so much, guys.
You betcha.
Yes.
Yeah, if you guys got any other questions, let me know. I'm here all night.
All right.
Thank
Okay.
you so much, folks, for watching a USA Truck Sales, and we are here in a beautiful facility in Lincoln, Nebraska, with Paul at truckpaper.com.
Thank you very much.